Hello my friends, welcome back to John's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making something simple but delicious. We are going to have lo mein noodles with shrimps and vegetables. Simple and very nice. The main thing is to have the ingredients, to prep the ingredients. Once you have the ingredients, the mix and plus, okay? That's what it's called. The preparation of the ingredients, everything it will be easy. I'm going to start naming the name of the ingredients. We are going to start here. These are the main ingredients. I have 6 ounces of shrimps. The shrimps are pure and the vein. Lo mein noodles. There is about 5.5 ounces of lo mein noodles. I have 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the sauce, I have 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 3 tablespoons hoisin sauce, half teaspoon crushed red pepper seeds. You can use fresh if you want. You can use fresh jalapeno, any hot pepper, any hot chili pepper. Here I have 2 tablespoons rice wine, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. Vegetables. We are going to start with 2 minced cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, half cup red onions, diced, half a cup strips of red bell peppers. This is one of my favorite vegetables. Snow peas. The snow peas, all it needs to do is just cut the ends of it. Here we have waterchesnuts. These are fresh waterchesnuts. You don't have fresh waterchestnuts, you want to use waterchestnuts from the can, you can do that. But there is nothing like the fresh waterchestnuts. It has a flavor, a lot of flavor in it, a little bit sweet, and tastes like coconut. White mushrooms. 6 ounces of white mushrooms. You can use barrel mushrooms. You want shiitake mushrooms? Use shiitake mushrooms. There is no problem for that. Cabbage. About 1.5 cups of cabbage. This is Chinese cabbage, Napa cabbage. So now where we're going to start, I'm going to season the shrimps with salt, and I'm going to cover it with the cornstarch. We have the shrimps already covered with the cornstarch. and we season it just with salt, very simple. Now I will mix all the ingredients for the sauce. The shrimps are already mixed with the cornstarch and salt. Those are the lo mein noodles. That's the sauce. I'm gonna mix those 6 ingredients for the sauce. And those are the vegetables. Here I have some fresh waterchesnuts, okay? These fresh waterchesnuts are very easy, just to peel it and slice it. I have some boiling water there and I put in the noodles to cook. Cook it al dente. Don't overcook the noodles. At the same time that the pasta is cooking, I'm heating up this wok. I'm going to cook the shrimps until it has a nice pink color on it. I have to cook at both sides of the shrimps, okay? I already have the shrimps cooked on both sides until they are pink, and I'm going to remove it now from the fire. And we'll start cooking the vegetables. On the same wok, with the same oil that is left in there, we start cooking the garlic, ginger, and onions together. Okay, there we are stir frying the ginger, the onions, and the garlic together. I add in now the snow peas, the red pepper, the mushrooms, and we are going to stir fry it for maybe about 2 minutes. I don't want the vegetables overcooked, I want the vegetables crunchy. So there we have the mushrooms, snow peas, peppers, stir frying, and we are ready to add to it. I'm going to add the cabbage and the waterchesnuts. We add the rest of the vegetables and we are going to cook it, stir fry for about 1 more minute. Now I will be serving a couple dishes. So here we have the lo mein noodle with shrimp and vegetables. I hope you guys enjoy it like you always do, right? And we'll see each other next time. Take care, my friends. That's a nice, very good looking dish. Oh, I love shrimps.